Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't get scared. I know my eye makeup look is looking really horrific right now, but I am here to show you guys a flawless base makeup routine. That's why I don't have any makeup on my face, because we are going to do makeup today together. I'm going to show you guys few tips and tricks. I am going to show you guys few tips, and also today I am going to create this flawless makeup look using super affordable products, affordable plus effective products, and also everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check them out, and I am going to show you guys how I do a very flawless natural base makeup. Let's get started. Of course, skin prep is very extremely important when it comes to your flawless base makeup routine. If your skin is dry, like literally my skin is super dry right now, feeling so crusty, if I do my makeup on top of this, I will not get the result. My foundation will crack, my foundation will look cakey at the same time, and my skin overall will look really bad. So it's all up to your skincare routine, what you're using before using your makeup, what skincare product you're using before your makeup. Do your CTM routine properly, clean your face, use a toner, you can use a serum if you want, and then moisturize your face really well. I already cleaned my face is all clean and clear. Now it's time to moisturize my skin, and for that I am currently using this Foxtel Keep Calm Daily Hydrating Serum. This is actually their hyaluronic acid serum, which I really love. Particular hyaluronic acid is such an ingredient which can be used by any skin type, no matter if you are dry, oily, combination. I am a combination skin, so you can use hyaluronic acid, because hyaluronic acid actually gives you that additional moisture to your skin, and also it just hydrates, plumps, and give your skin that moisture effect without feeling greasy at all. So I am going to use this product on my face. You can see how extremely lightweight this particular product is, and if you want to do a facial massage, you can definitely use this because it contains that amount of slipperiness where you can do your facial massage. You can do it with your fingers as well. I really love hyaluronic acid for my skin, and you can see instantly I have a glow. Now before using your makeup, before using your foundation, make sure that at least 5 to 10 minutes to your skincare products, let them sit, and then use your makeup product. After using your makeup product, do not just go with your foundation then and then. Just give it some time, give it 5 minutes, and then just like let your skin absorb the skincare product, and then go with your foundation, your primer, your makeup product. Okay, now it's time for some primer. Now, to be very honest, I never really use primer. I don't know why, but I just don't use primer that much. But whenever I do use a primer, I go with my Nykaa Prep Me Up. I'm using this one, not this one, but I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up for years now, and I really love it. So you can use any primer that suits your skin. So I'm just going to take a little bit product, and I am going to use the product wherever I think that I need priming, large pores, texture. So I am just going to apply it on my T-zone area, because this is the area which I think that the foundation moves a lot, and you will see so much pores and texture in this particular area. So definitely make sure to use a primer. If you have like pores and texture on your cheeks, you can definitely go with it. Now here comes which tool you are going to use to blend your foundation. So when it comes to blending your foundation, I do prefer a makeup sponge than a makeup brush, because it gives more natural finish. This one I got from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below for you. This is from this brand called Plush World, and you can also use my code for extra discount at the same time. I really love their products. I already used one beauty sponge from this particular brand. This is a new one which I kept for this video particularly. Very high quality, like a high quality makeup sponge, yet it is very affordable, and if you use my code, you will get extra discount at the same time. So this is the makeup sponge which I really love when it comes to my flawless base makeup routine. I just love how the sponge actually makes your skin look so natural, gives you that proper amount of like coverage. Product will soak up a lot of foundation from your face. Now if you want a more full kind of a coverage, definitely go with a brush rather than going with a sponge. This is the brush that I love using. This is from Mars, and this one also I'm going to link it down below for you. You can get the entire brush set from Mars, or you can get this one individually. This is actually not a foundation brush. This is like a multi-purpose brush, I will say, like for your bronzer, blush, foundation. I use this for every single thing because of its shape. I really love this particular product. I don't know why, but this is my favorite foundation brush right now. And I use it all the time to blend my bronzer, my blush. So you're going with a foundation brush. Last step will be going with a makeup sponge. Just go with your makeup sponge overall and it will just set your makeup properly. So a makeup sponge again is very necessary, no matter if you're using a makeup sponge or you are using a brush. After that, you have to use a makeup sponge to make your skin feel more flawless. You can see after wearing this particular makeup sponge, this is like huge right now, and this is the thing I love about makeup sponge, because it is so perfect to blend anything, like literally anything. Now for my foundation, I'm gonna use this very affordable Mars BB cream. This is not a BB cream, this is a foundation, because the coverage is like a foundation, not like a BB cream at all. But I really love the formula, I really love the finish. It is very long lasting, very natural looking at the same time. This is what the foundation looks like. I'm just gonna spread this all over my face, and with the back of the beauty sponge I am going to use the product. See how beautifully this foundation blends into my skin. And now I have this concealer. This is Color Bar Flawless Full Cover Concealer. This is again a beautiful concealer. You get a lot of product, by the way, and I am just going to use it under my eyes. And I am using the concealer. The shade of the concealer is way too light for my skin, because I am having a very neon bold eye makeup look, so I want my under eyes to be a little bit more brighter. Then I will take the makeup sponge and blend it out. Whenever I use a very natural finish kind of a concealer, like a very natural coverage concealer, I don't use a makeup sponge, I use a makeup brush, which is again from Mars. I'm gonna mention it for you. And for my full coverage concealer days, I love using a makeup sponge because it just blends so flawlessly. So this is what my concealer looks like, and this is what my foundation looks like. I am really happy how my base looks right now, and this is the technique that I do all the time, and this is how I just do my makeup in general. Not every day, of course, but whenever I want a full face of makeup, a flawless base makeup routine, I do something like this. Now it's time for some powder, and this is my favorite Swiss Beauty loose finishing powder. This is in the shade 02, which is their banana powder. Again, for a more brightening effect, definitely go for a banana powder. It just brightens up your under eyes a little bit more. And if you want a more natural finish, then go with a loose setting powder, like a translucent loose powder. The shade should be translucent for a more natural finish, but this is also a natural finish kind of a powder. The difference is that this is just a little bit going to brighten up your under eyes, and I really love the packaging of this particular powder. I'm just going to show you how it looks. So you get a powder puff, which you can use, you can skip as well, and also here you have the powder. You can just dip your brush and you will get the powder. Now you can use a makeup sponge to set your makeup, to set your face with some powder, but I do love using a brush for a more natural type of a finish. So this is again from Mars. This is their Mars powder brush, and I just love the shape and size of this particular product just because it fits right under my eyes. So I'm going to take the powder. Now whenever you are taking the powder like this, you can see how much powder this particular brush contains. Just dust off the excess. Just dust it all away. Okay, now you have something like this. Now you have the powder, but less is more. When it comes to makeup, less is always more. Try using less amount of product first. If you pick up a lot of product and use it, your makeup is going to look patchy, it is going to look very, very bad. So make sure you're using less amount of product first. You can literally see the difference. This side looks so much more flawless, so much more beautiful than this particular side. This is also obviously beautiful, but this is more like a finished look, and also the powder is super lightweight, so this particular area looks so blurring at the same time. Here's a close-up of this flawless base makeup, and this is what my skin looks like. Here's the close-up for you. These techniques are super easy, everyone knows it, but I just want to give you guys a reminder that if you really use this technique on your makeup routine, you will see the result very clearly. The first and very important step is skincare, and then comes what tool you are using for your makeup. The tool is right or wrong, the tool is a good quality tool or a bad quality tool. That is also very, very important when it comes to your makeup routine. And then what product you're using. Like, the product does not have to be expensive. These are all very, very affordable products, and that is why today I just thought of adding affordable products in today's video, because I just don't want you guys to think that, oh my god, she's using Charlotte Tilbury and stuff like that, expensive products, that's why her makeup is looking good. That is not the case. The right product, the good quality product actually matters. The price does not really matter. You can obviously use a very expensive product, but you can also do it with affordable foundation or powder at the same time. So this is the finished look. I am just gonna use some blush, highlighter. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. And here's the finished look. I am so happy how my makeup looks right now. I used a Mars lip combo where I used a Mars lip liner and a lipstick. I'm gonna also link it for you in the description box below. So this is what my makeup looks like. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know. With some easy, simple step, you can actually get so much flawless makeup base look. So what do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.